or object filter, I will say. Filter means there are so many things are there. Okay, at least one full section we have to cover. This is important topic. So I already prepare one data set
Mm.
for filter. Not here. Sorry, in my downloads. Here I'm giving raw data. Here I'm giving filter data. Okay. So normal filter, you know, right? How it need to be used.
Mm.
VBA. Always this workbook dot worksheet. We can either refer by name or index.
Mm.
8 to E50. This range and all, no, always it need to be dynamic. But
Mm.
now I'm just giving
Yes.
like this. Dot auto filter
Mm-hmm.
field. Here we are selecting the range. Here field means which column you want to filter.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you
Mm.
want to filter for country. Country is third column, right?
Mm-hmm.
Third column. So here we field third criteria. I will write UK.
Yes.
Dot worksheet. Worksheet or sheet. This workbook. Dot. Some spelling is wrong means also this error will come. Mm. Now see, it's filter for
Yes.
UK.
Yes.
So whenever if you use filter, now it's auto in first maybe that sheet or maybe automatically some previously filter is applied or something. Na? That time you have to write auto filter. Okay, here I'm using only one criteria like UK only you are filtering.
Mm.
Suppose you want to filter for a array of value. Suppose UK, here I have only two countries, right? Maybe some other countries I add. IN by that. See, auto filter with multiple criteria. That time the filter value we you can give it in a array.
Hmm.
Suppose I want to filter for first name. No,
Okay.
not first name.
Hmm.
Country
Hmm.
UK and India.
Hmm. Hmm.
Here it is protected. No?
Yes.
UK, India. This line I will comment for now. Both the value is filtered.
Yes.
So multiple value we can give it in an array. That time here we have to write operator is equal to Excel filter value. First it will filter for UK. Then that filter value again we are applying filter for other, right? So here it is right. We have to write operator is equal to Excel filter values. Otherwise it will not work.
Yes.
Both. So suppose after filtering you want to copy the filter range into some other sheet. Auto filter multiple criteria. Here I have written criteria for date, parameter. Yeah, auto filter method here, right?
Hmm.
Here I'm
Yes.
written operator is equal to Excel filter value, right? Here
Yes.
we can give this many condition.
Yes.
Excel and Excel or Excel top 10, Excel 10 percentage, bottom 10 percentage, like that. This many criteria we can use that. Understood. Suppose if you
Yes.
want to, I will explain top 10 value. Okay,
Yes.
the price we can top 10 percentage. So sales is in column B. So here field I have to write two. Criteria greater than 4,000 I will give. Greater than 4,000. Criteria we have to write it in double quotes. Excel top 10. This line I will comment. I don't have much value, right?
Okay.
Range class failed. Fail. Yeah, now it's all the values are greater than 4,000, right?
Mm.
But the top 10 that criteria we cannot use here.
Yes.
Comma operator. Top 10 criteria when you are using, right? Here, field to here, we should not give any value because greater than 10 and that together we cannot use. Only top 10 you have to write. See, this criteria is not required when we are
Mm.
writing top 10.
Okay.
Only the top 10 value it is displayed.
Yes.
Like that, all this criteria, bottom 10, Excel bottom 10 percentage, Excel or Excel or that time we have compared, right? And an or operation. It is same.
Yes.
Both condition together we can use. Like this, all the condition we can write. Suppose if you we have filter for top 10 value here, and if you want to copy that filtered value into other sheet, that time what you will do?
Mm.
Copy filter row. Instead of this. What I am doing here, here the
Mm.
filter range I am setting into this variable. I am
Yes.
defining range one variable, and that auto filter range I am saving in the range. Auto filter dot range means whatever filter range will get saved in this variable. After that, I'm adding one new sheet. Worksheet dot add means one new sheet will get added. That uh, that sheet range A1, I'm pasting that data. See, this is raw data. This sheet file got added and the filter data got pasted here. Understood? Auto filter dot range means the
Mm.
filtered range fully will get copied. Raw data,
Yes.
see this full data will copy and new sheet I created here it got pasted.
Yes.
Okay, suppose one question. Suppose if you don't want the header to be copied, then what will you do here?
No idea.
Yesterday we have studied one function, right? That
Yes.
we
Yes.
can use here.
Okay.
Dot offset. What you header you don't need, right? So raw should increase one. column need to be same, right? So now you see sheet 6C, no header here.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
So it's not like everything combined we have to use. So everything. Some function, logical operator yesterday we studied, right? That
Yes.
also here this criteria we are
Mm.
using that, right? Excel and or that and all logical operators.
Yes.
So one function is related to other anyway. Hmm.
Yes.
So this date filter also you can do, but
Yes.
whenever you do date filter, it is always this column need to be in correct format. Otherwise, it will not work. Format means here general, na? Here
Yes.
it need to be in date can be in uh, different format. Here it is
Yes.
date, month, year, 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 right?
Mm.
Suppose here if you are not giving that format, that time it will not work. And here it is general means it may work. Otherwise we have to go here and right click here, um, format cell, and we have to select the correct date format. After that only you have to apply filter. Date I have written something, I will show you. Look of file system screen. Insert pivot. Yeah, date and time function.
Yes.
A function which return current system date. Date is simply if you write msg box date, what it will display 03/07/2023.
Mm.
Because my system it is the format of date. Suppose your system it is different means first it is a month means it will display like that. Hmm? So if you want to format it in some other way, that time what you will do? Format date. Now it is displaying in month, date, year, right?
Mm.
03 is month. No, 03 is date only. Okay, it is correct format. Suppose you want to display month first or any other format, mm, only month and year. Okay, month and year. That time you can give. See, July 2023 it displayed.
Yes.
Suppose here triple M means that only 07 and double M means C 07 2023.
Mm.
Like that different way according to our requirement we have, right? Like that we can change it. Here I have not written that. Only function I am given. C data function which convert a given input to date. Suppose it is in string format. So cdate function will convert that into a date. Suppose in name sheet here I'm written 03/05/2023, and here MSG box C date. Yeah, here it's a I will write expression as a date. Mm, Range A1 name. It is a for type mismatch. Let me check it in immediate window.
Mm.
05 C date type mismatch. C date means so we have to give some value which converts given input to a date.
Yes.
This is our input. Type mismatch. Type mismatch means inside whatever we have passed, that's not correct. Suppose here I will write simply date and check. That time it is coming correctly.
Yes.
Okay. So there are many useful function like that. Date difference
Mm-hmm.
between two time period,
Yes.
and format date and time that we have used, right? A function with boolean value whether supply parameter is a date. To
Yes.
check it is a valid date. So it will return message box expected end of statement. This any syntax error means it will show true. It is a valid date. It is showing true. Suppose any invalid date if we are given, like invalid date means 77.6.2023. That time it will display false.
Yes.
We check it the given date is valid when we are suppose creating one user form, that time they
Mm-hmm.
have to enter some date and all, right? And
Yes.
that time we can use this function to validate it is correct or not.
Yeah.
So there are so many date function available. You can check all the things. If you have any doubt you can come back. Okay, date and time also now
Yes.
means it will return current time. See, date and time together
Yes.
it return like that. The date function. Once if you do practical examples, right? After me
Mhm.
explaining one form we will create
Yes.
using all this thing.
Yes.